Back in the 1800s, the first major diamond mine was discovered in a place in South Africa called Kimberley. It was owned by a couple of farmers called De Beers. Interesting couple. But what De Beers did is they leased out parcels of land throughout their farm. And miners would come along and dig down deep and do all their mining. Back in 1866, there was a young lad called Cecil Rhodes. Very entrepreneurial. In fact, he was only 17. You may have heard about this name, because I believe he was the chap who went looking for Dr. Livingstone out in South Africa, when he got lost. 17 years of age, he rented the only water pump in a 600-mile radius. In fact, he bought that water pump and rented it out because the mines were flooding. Everyone's mines were flooding. They were digging in there, they were doing everything. It was just a complete mess. It was a catastrophe. If you can imagine this lawn, this beautiful lawn out here, and there were pit holes. It was just mud everywhere. Miners, it was dirty, it was filthy. You can imagine what the gold rush was like. Diamond mining was even worse. So Cecil Rhodes rented out this water pump to all the local miners. They made their fortunes, and at the age of 27, 10 years later, he started buying all the parcels of lands back off of the miners. He eventually bought the farm from the De Beers brothers for £6,000. That's phenomenal, isn't it? If you were part of the De Beers family today, and you was going, oh, I lost a legacy. My great-grandfather was a De Beer. So he went to buy this farm, and he kept the De Beers name. And the De Beers Corporation is now the largest conglomerate in the world who mines and sells diamonds. In fact, they control the diamond mine. But I'll talk about that a little later on. Keep that in mind.